back to my channel. What's up? How y'all doing? It's like, girl, let me start this video and stop being weird. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? What's good? What's poppin'? If y'all haven't noticed, I'm in a good ass mood. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be doing a fun little braids. So I just have it in I just put my braids in a ponytail. I'm just going to pull it out. I had my braids in for about 2 weeks now, and this is how they look so far. These still look really good. They look really nice and neat still. The only thing is that, like, I kind of have like some crusties like in the front. Gross, I know. Like, I've been using a lot of gel in the front of my hair just to like do my edges. I've been using a lot of gel, so it kind of builded and left this residue. It kind of looks like when you spray a lot of dry shampoo on your hair, kind of gives you that white cast. But I'm going to spray some water on it and it should be fine after that, because it's just build up. If I try to comb it out, it's going to mess up, and then I might have to do some parts over, and I'm not trying to do that. So yeah, this is how my braids look. This is how the ends of my hair look, and I'm gonna show you guys how long my braids are, because girl, I did them really long. I did them so long that I kind of regret it when I'm like at work and it keeps getting everywhere. But otherwise from that, I really like my braids. Like, they're literally, oh my gosh, you guys still can't even see. They passed my butt. Like, what the heck? They passed my butt. I'm gonna curl the ends with some hot water, and hopefully they can get a little bit shorter than this. Not too much, but like probably like up to here instead of all the way down here. And I just want to curl my braids because, like, I've been holding off this video for you guys because I wanted to show you guys how to curl braids with hot water. So yeah, the color that I got my hair in is like this, but if you like look closely, kind of looks blonde, almost brown. So I have like 2 different colors in my hair. I did not intentionally do that. I just feel like one of the packs were darker than the other, which is so weird because it was the same color. I actually still like it. It like gives it that highlighted effect. My braids are pretty even. There's not one that's too fat or too skinny in any spot. I literally just added like about roughly 6 to 7 pieces of pieces of hair to when I was braiding the hair, because like if you look, this is pretty long. Like, this is one braid that's long. Oh my gosh, I could be like, I got 84-inch hair braids. I only paid $40, boo-boo. The pack of hair that I got, I should have took a picture of it. I'm going to find it online and put it like right here. And it was the pack with the 3 hairs in it, with the 3 bundles of hair. And that was $5.99, and I bought 3. Hey Siri.
I'm listening.
$5.99 times 3.
The answer is $17.97 US.
You know, with tax, it almost came up to $20. So that was $20. I bought my pomade. I bought like 2 of them, the edge boosters. That was like like $17. Yeah, so I almost spent $40, and I just sat down and did my hair. Like, it took me the whole entire day, but I was just like, you know what, I really want these braids. I really want them to be long, and I want them to be in this color. This is how I want them to be. I want them to be this, blah 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 blah. And I just did it. I was just committed, bitch. I was so committed. A bitch could never. The thing you're going to need is your curling device, like these rods. I don't know what size these are, but these size will definitely give me the curls that I want. And I have my towel. 4 strands of hair, a little bit closer. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to do that. Now I'm just going to take some more. I only have 6 with me, so I'll just do 6 at a time. Done. So now take my hot water. I'm gonna dip one at a time, just like that, and just dip it. And then you just keep doing that to the rest of them. So I got this one. Just dip it in. Make sure everything is wet. And then you're just going to dry it. Done drying it, you just want to pull it out just like that, slowly, and you should get a really cute curl like this. Isn't that cute? Look at that curl. Yes. Like, big difference. I'm going to go ahead and do this side, and then I will see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so my hair is done, and this is how it looks. Oh my gosh, this is cute. This is actually really cute. It's more bouncier, it's cuter. Just curling the ends of your braids can add so much to it. It's crazy. It looks so cute. But yes, guys, that is how you curl the ends of your braids with hot water and curling rods. Boom. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit that post notification bell so you guys won't ever miss a video from me ever again. And yeah. Later guys, peace out, stay positive, and yeah, later guys.